Follow me to find out what happens when engineers open a coffee shop. So here we are at the back of the line for GenLatte. It's an app built with Flutter and Firebase and allows users to negotiate with Gemini to find an image of their happy place, which the world-class baristas inside will then print directly onto the latte itself. So in a second, we'll actually get to the front of the line and I'll show you the app. The time has arrived. We've made it to the front of the line. Now let's go make a coffee. Typically you start here and you dive in. So my name, of course, is Craig. And I'm a whole milk, no sugar kind of guy. And my happy place is writing Flutter apps. So now Flutter and Firebase are working together to talk to Gemini and whip up 4 images for me that are what Nano Banana thinks represent writing Flutter apps. We'll see what it comes up with. All right, so writing Flutter apps, this is kind of a floating city with some birds. That's not bad. There's a bunch of computers. All right, we're going with this one. And now, Gemini has also written some questions in advance related to this image. I can dial in and get exactly what I like. So should the digital interface be more or less complex? I already couldn't see most of the details, so I'm gonna say less complex. Lighting be dramatic or soft? How about, let's do natural. What species of bird should be present? Obviously hummingbirds. And how much detail should the island have? Well, let's save room for the birds. So now, we're sending an updated prompt back to Gemini for a follow-up round of dialed-in images. Okay, this first one in here, all the computers are mostly gone. It's hummingbirds flying apps around. Here we've got a conveyor belt. I think I'm gonna do this one. I think this is the most visually clear. Okay, so now my order is ready and I'm gonna submit it, pass the baton to the aforementioned world-class baristas. So all of this is written with Flutter and Firebase to help users talk to Gemini and get the exact coffee they want. But the app itself uses A2UI or GenUI to allow Gemini to even drive the experience. We saw that with the questions that I answered to dial in my image. And that's a paradigm that we think is really gonna help folks in app development. So let us know what you think you are gonna be able to use GenUI for in your apps. I've got, I think it was hummingbirds flying around spreadsheets is what it settled on. So maybe not my actual happy place, but this coffee is delicious. So now it's time to put the crown jewel on this operation with a selfie, or in this case, this video. Cheers.